So all that is a pain already. But one final pain point is that we'll want to have the files individually so we can more easily troubleshoot them. That is, when we look at our index.html file, we want there to be all of these scripts here. This will make it easier to troubleshoot problems. And as any of our code updates, specifically our own custom code, we'll pull in those updates automatically. Now, we don't have an external JavaScript file yet for our own JavaScript. We've been writing it in the head here. But this has just been for convenience, as we've done some early development on our template. Ultimately, all of our JavaScript should end up in an external file because it allows us to include that code in multiple pages on our website without copying and pasting between different templates. Let's say we wanted to add one more slideshow. Well, if we were pulling in the minified concatenated version of our code here, we'd have to recreate all of that in order to test our slideshow. So ideally, in development, we don't want to have to deal with that at all. What that means is that we'll be going through two different states in our file. The state for development, where we have all of the individual files listed here and pulled in, and the state where we're pulling in the single concatenated minified version of our JavaScript and CSS. So that means that on top of manually copying and pasting our code into a single file and then running that through a minification process, we're also going to need to go into any place where we pull in these scripts, and we'll have to cut them out and paste in the minified version when we're ready to go to production, and then reverse all of that when we want to do development work again. Hopefully, all of that sounds absolutely miserable, not to mention error-prone, and you're ready for a better way. Well, that's where automation tools come in.